For the first time in history, scientists have directly measured the temperature of atoms in matter hotter than the sun, and what they found shocked everyone. Gold refused to melt, even at 19,000 kelvins, over 14 times hotter than its normal melting point. This happened at the SLAC National Accelerator Laboratory in California. Researchers blasted an ultra-thin piece of gold with a powerful laser, heating it in just trillionths of a second. Then, using one of the world's most powerful X-ray lasers, they measured how fast the gold atoms vibrated. That told them the exact temperature. The results stunned them. Instead of melting at 1,337 kelvins, as theory predicted, the gold stayed solid all the way up to 19,000 kelvins, 3 times hotter than the surface of our sun. This discovery destroyed a 40-year-old theory called the entropy catastrophe, which claimed that no material could stay solid beyond a certain heat limit. Gold proved that wrong. Why does this matter? Because it could change how we understand fusion energy, the interiors of giant planets, and even the life cycle of stars. It also shows that materials may survive far higher temperatures than scientists once thought. Gold's survival at unimaginable heat is more than a curiosity. It's a reminder that science is full of surprises, and sometimes even the most trusted rules can break.